What's up, everybody? It's your brother Mighty Prophet back with another video. As usual, man, giving y'all that good content, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go and like, share, subscribe to the channel, man. Mighty Prophet, bro. Real quick, we finna do an install, a LED headlight install on my Dodge Charger, as you see here. Make sure y'all go subscribe to the channel once again, man. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. But we're about to install these LED headlights, ice blue headlights. Like I said, if you watched my previous video on the install of this Dodge Journey headlights, show you. So you watch the install on this right here. I'm doing the same thing to the Charger. Doing the same thing to the Charger. Pretty simple, nice, smooth, and easy. This is like a 5 to 10 minute type of install. You need no tools required. Oh well, you do need a tool just to remove your intake box. It's like an 8mm hex socket you need to remove your intake box with, and that's pretty much it. This gets your headlight. But other than that, man, let's go put these LED ice blue headlights in there, man. So to get to this the driver's side headlamp, you need to move your intake box. So obviously you just got this, really this, and that's pretty much it. Get that out the way, you'll be able to move it. Just take that off. Takes the 8mm. PC valve. So once again, once you do this, you're able to move it. Just take off your PC valve. It should come right up. You don't have to take this off. It's flexible. I almost yanked my damn wires out. Just bend that back like that. Good. And if you didn't know, man, my intake box has always been like this since I first got the car. So when I drove out the lot, the next day, I cut the intake box. That's one of my mods, if y'all did not know. Let's get into this video. Your headlight things are right here. And what you want to go into is this right here, that right there, and then also this right here. I like on this Dodge Charger, it has actual caps, so you can actually, it's really sealed, so you can just open it up. Then you see your headlamp right there. Same as that one, sealed. Turn it to the, go turn it to the left. Yeah, turn it to the left. Turn it to the left. It's gonna be the said head. Same thing. Let's go into our box. So these are LED headlamps. 800K. I think they're like 900. This one says 900 to 800K. But so it's gonna pull this headlight out. It should turn to the left or to the right. Turns to the right. So this is what your headlight looks like. And then you have this back piece. You just want to move that, lift it up, and then your headlight will come right out. No tools required for this, if I did not mention. On my Journey, it had 2 different end pieces. But these 2 are the same, so I guess nothing has changed on the Charger. Just go ahead and throw that in there. let's go ahead and make sure it works first. And then once again, it has a plus and minus sign on there. The plus and minus sign should face away from the clip in. So I'm gonna turn my plus and minus sign this way. And you see my clip. This is the plus and minus sign is going on the back. It's not gonna be where it's gonna face on the back side of the clip. And what I'm putting in right now is my high beams. I guess these are different. If you see, I thought they were the same. This has 1, 2, 3 little skinnier pieces. This one has bigger pieces. And also, if you look at the inside, this has this one's more of a closed-in gap. This is more gap right here. So I take it that this, I believe this one goes to the high beams. And then once again, they all have a plus and minus sign. Make sure your plus and minus sign is facing this way. So pretty much what I'm saying, the clip should go right here. It should clip over right here. And put this back in there. Oh, it's gonna be kind of hard to explain. So this needs to go like this. When you put it in, it needs to go. It needs to go like this, is what I'm saying. So it needs to go just like this. Boom, and it'll go right in. So when you get done with this headlight, just make sure you put this back. Obviously, put your PC valve back, and then screw this back in. And then also, I want to mention this headlight kit cost me about $26 on eBay. 800K ice blue headlights. I'm gonna put the link in the description as well, like I normally do. Just giving y'all the FYI, man. I'm not gonna show you anything else. No tools required. It's just simple. You don't need no knowledge to really do this. So I'm gonna show y'all before stock, the halogen bulbs and stuff like that. Then I'm gonna show y'all the after version with the ice blue headlights in there. So let's go, man. So this is my headlights on. My headlights on, and I have natural aftermarket fog lights, so it might be a little brighter. But my fog lights aren't that bright because it is aftermarket. They're not stock fog lights or OEM fog lights, my bad. So once again, this is headlights with aftermarket fog lights. And also have an aftermarket, aftermarket running light on top of my headlights. So, but it's still not as bright as the LEDs will be. This is my high beams, a little bit brighter. Well, it's actually a lot brighter. Street. So once again, this is headlights and high beams. It's a dark street. So just the headlights. They don't really seem that bright at all on the camera. Once again, I have aftermarket fog lights and an aftermarket running light as well on top of my headlights. So it might be a little brighter, but slightly brighter. Headlights. That's it for the stock. Aftermarket fog lights and the aftermarket running light on top of my headlights, so it's not really making a difference. I don't really see a difference on this. With the stock halogen bulbs I have, it's a difference, a small difference. So these are just regular headlights. It's a lot brighter. It's a lot brighter. High beams. These are high beams. These are the high beams. So this is the regular headlights down like a dark road with no headlights, or no headlights, no lights. And then once again, these are the high beams. Once again, the video, when I'm looking at the video, doesn't do too much justice. You have to be in the car. It's a big difference. It is a lot brighter. Just the headlights alone, or it looks like, with just the headlights alone, looks like I have my high beams on. And on the high beams that's on, it's like a different type of blue, which is pretty clean. It's like a lighter blue. It's like a baby blue, instead of it being like ice blue. So again, man, this is a good product. $26 for this product. Came within like literally 4 or 5 days, if that, maybe less. So that's the end of the video, man. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section below. Does it look good? Does there a difference? Can y'all even tell in the camera there's a difference? To me, I can't. The ice blue is better. It is more clear. But in person, it's just an obvious difference. It's a really obvious difference. But let me know down in the comment section. Once again, make sure you go like, share, subscribe to the channel, man. Mighty Profit. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video and I'm out, man.